Hello everyone, welcome to SportTube. In this video, I want to show you how to enable free SSL certificate Abelohost. Here you can see we have a cPanel of Abelohost, and now we are going to install a free SSL certificate. Scroll down and here you can see the SSL TLS status folder here in security. Click on it, and in the SSL TLS status we have many websites already, but we have one of the website not secure. The website name is sporttube.info. So how to enable sporttube.info SSL? Mark this all option and select the all also here. After selecting all the folder, click include 8 domains duration auto SSL, and now click run auto SSL. Wait a few seconds, and here you can see the SSL check has been complete, and auto refresh this page. Now we are going to see all our website is secure, and here you can see the website name sporttube.info is secure now. So this is the way how to enable free SSL of Abelohost. Hope you like this video. If you like, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon with all notifications. See you next time.